Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Search Classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number which is 98367930076. Our email ID is souravsearchclasses@gmail.com. If you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, you can call us on this number, or you can drop an you can WhatsApp also, or you can drop an email to our email ID, which is this, and then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, our special doubt clearing sessions, and we are eager to tell you that we are going to launch a new batch, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations for ISI CMI entrances. So okay, so now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR, and the question MCQ section, and the question is telling us that if A is a 4 cross 4 real matrix with at least two non-zero entries, then which of the following necessarily holds? Option A is telling us that at least one eigenvalue of A is non-zero. That is a false statement, because if we take this matrix, that means 0 1 0, uh, yeah, 0 1 0 and 0, and all rest of all other terms are 0, then what will happen? Then we can see that this is a Jordan block of order 3 of where our eigenvalues are 0, and there is also a 0 eigenvalue, so all the eigenvalues of this matrix will be 0. So our option A will be can be cancelled out. So we have to think about our option B, which is telling us that at least one eigenvalue of A is real. Okay. So let us construct a matrix that will be easier to think, because if we take this matrix 1 1 0, and that will be 0 1, and rest all the other terms are 0, then what will happen? Then in this block we can say that the characteristic equation of this will be what? That is my A minus lambda I, data determinant of it is equals to 0, so that will be minus lambda 1 1 minus lambda here, more determinant of it is equals to 0, so we will get lambda square minus 1, which will be my equals to 0. Okay, am I doing some wrong things? Okay, okay, I want to take minus 1 here. Yeah, then it will be okay. So then our lambda square plus 1 is equals to 0. Then we can see that our lambda is equals to plus minus I. And our I is what? Which is root over of minus 1. Then our eigenvalues are of this block will be minus I and minus I. And these are 0 and 0. These are 0 and 0. So there are at least one eigenvalue of A is real. Okay. So if we take this block matrix also like this, and let us make it minus 2 and 2. They told us with at least two non-zero entries, so okay, we will get this thing. So then what will happen? So then our in this block matrix our eigenvalues will be plus minus 2i. Okay, then we can see that all non-zero all eigenvalues are not real, that means they all are complex numbers. So our option B will be that will be under consideration now. So now our rank of A is at least 2. Yeah, that will be a correct answer. Because if we take, no, that will also be wrong. Because if we take this thing 0 A 0 0, and A is a non-zero real number here, then 0 A 0 0, and after that all terms are my 0. Then we can see that our rank of A will be 1, because these and these are the same lines. So we can if we do this thing, that means this r2 minus r1, then we will get only 0 A 0 0, and rest all the other terms are my 0. Okay, so our option C will be cancelled out. And let us move to our option B. They are telling us that at least one eigenvalue of A is real. Okay, they told us real matrix with at least two non-zero entries. Okay, so if we take this case, that means our 0 minus 1 0 and rest of the terms are my 0 0. Then we got two real eigenvalues. And okay, as okay, so by consideration, so our option B will be true here, because if we do our plus minus I and plus minus 2i, when we are taking four non-zero entries here, because but they told us at least two. So from this case we can conclude that our at least one eigenvalue of A has to be real. Okay, so that will be correct statement of it. So again, I am telling that if you have any doubts, queries, please feel free to contact us via these contact details. So our team can organize a doubt clearing session for you, or then you can be join our batches and our things. So you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Saurav's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.